So we have the project complete for now. What we're going to do is let this cure and then come back up in a couple days on a nice day and gecko the seams again and just double check everything. But I went around, did a little bit more touch up here and there, and I've been kind of dreading this because I don't like just doing something like this. If I'm going to modify it and come up with something new, it's more exciting. But when you're just redoing or repairing, it's not quite as exciting. But the one thing that didn't work, I had mentioned, was I thought maybe I could peel off the gecko and then reuse the strip. But here's the problem. Too much wood just stayed attached to it. So that's good if you want it to stick really good. But reusing it wasn't really worth it. And quite frankly, it didn't really use that much gecko tape that I was thinking. It was a 2 foot by, about 44 inches by 6 inch area, and really didn't use that much gecko tape after all. And then once I give this whole roof another coat, it'll all be white again. But for now, I'm just gecko taping any issues and putting more screws in. That's the other thing is if you find a weak area where the aluminum's not holding good, put a screw in it. Actually, right there is one. I'm going to bring the gecko tape back up and get that, or I'll be back up here in a day or two anyways. Okay, so that's it for now. On to the next project, but really glad this is done. It's been kind of bothering me. So we're good to go.